Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet poncho ideas for modern girls, slim smart girl and also plus size girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different designing, mind-blowing ideas, most demanding, most wearing and most likely collection. Very nice, fabulous crocheting work. Some are light color uses, some are dark color contrast, print color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, grand square pattern, because mostly girls like beautiful crochet poncho, so that's why I bring for you. So girls, please go to mint section, press the bell icon, and after clicking the bell icon you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. You can see many more ideas about crochet dresses in my channel. Follow my channel, press the bell icon and like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet poncho ideas. All the patterns are very beautiful and easy. Because if you know crochet work, so you can also make by yourself at your home without any trouble. If you don't know crochet work, so you can buy this crocheting work from any shopping mart. If you want to buy online, so please visit some websites like AliExpress, Amazon, Eboa.com, Etiasa.com, Light in the Box, Gearbest.com and Shupai.com. So please follow my channel, like and share my video, good comment section, press the bell icon.